we touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. But we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amito Mitra and I'm the host on this channel. Guys, they don't allow us to take videos and pictures here, so I'm doing everything in a rush. I don't want the police guy to see me. Actually, the police guys to see me anytime now. It's how you know. So guys, I'm at the railway line and the railway station. Oh God, I don't know if you guys are listening, but I am at the railway station and right about now we're about to leave. It's currently 5 p.m. but the train is supposed to leave at exactly 5:30. So currently, let me go and enter into the train and we go. These guys are coming, guys. I don't know why they even don't allow us to capture videos, and yet we are promoting our own country. Uganda. Guys, see you later. Let me enter the train.
It was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amito Mitra and I am the host on this channel. I was supposed to do this video earlier on, but they couldn't allow me shoot at the railway station, so I had to shoot inside the train. So currently I am in the train and we are heading to Namamve. We have about 3 stops. Anyway guys, let's first go and see how we are going to stop, but I think there are like 3 stops before we reach Namamve. Otherwise guys, I want to take you through the train journey. One interesting thing about this whole journey is that it is the cheapest journey I've ever had. It's just 1,000 from town to Boyogere, but if you are going up to Namamve, you pay 2,000 Ugandan shillings. That is not even $1. It's not even $1, guys. That's how cheap it is. And then it is very fast because we left the station at 5:30 sharp and we are supposed to be in Namamve by 8. So guys, sorry, by 6 p.m. So guys, let's get on the road. Do they say on the road or on the railway? Whatever it is, guys.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise.
Bye. Maybe for you.
Always on my mind, I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright, no matter where you go. Always on my mind, I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright. You can find me alone, this cold place, no face, a slave to this place inside. If a mystery unsolved like a cold case, and highways disgraced by a state of mind. Drinking strange water, leave a sour taste. Been looking for my soul in the haze prime. Getting kinda dull to this heartbreak as my heart shakes like the waves in a baseline. Boom. The good girl goes too soon. Straight by the light of the moon. And it gets better. Paths also change like the weather. Feel like a song you can't remember. See you in December soon. Know you'll be coming home. Soon after you'll be gone. No matter where you go, always on my mind. I could be alone, but you're never far from sight. As far as we go, through the darkest night, I hope it brings you peace of mind. I know we'll be alright, no matter where you go. You're always on my mind. I could be alone.
So guys, since there are few people left, we're about 5 in the whole train. Guys, how interesting is that? So what are we here already? Are we here already? I think we are here already, guys. Oh my god, that was so fast. That was really fast. So guys, we are just a few people inside, and I feel bad because I was really enjoying this ride. Oh, but anyway, guys, every beautiful journey comes to an end. Let's go out. Let's go out. Oh my god, guys, the only challenge here is how to get out. How to get out, my god, my god, my god. How to get out. There we go. There we go, we go, guys. I'm out. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm really excited.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around.
Hello guys, it's the following day. Good morning. I didn't end the video very well yesterday. First of all, I missed my flight. Sorry, I missed the train back to Kampala because I also wanted to use it back to at least Nambole and then find my way back home. But then I failed. I missed it. By the time I got to know that it was leaving, it was already going and I couldn't run after it. So I decided to use a taxi back home, and that whole journey was sickening and annoying. You all know how that evening jam is on a taxi. But nevertheless, I reached home very safely and I was so tired, so I decided to just sleep without doing the conclusion video. So here I am wanting to explain to you my experience. It wasn't that bad. I really enjoyed my whole journey from Kampala to Namave. And my only challenge is why the Ugandan government doesn't allow us take pictures and videos for such things. I mean, we are just promoting tourism. It's not that we're doing it for our own benefit or something. We're just trying. We would have done some other content that people would still watch, but then we have decided to promote our country, but they're still not allowing us to. But anyways, hopefully in future they will change their strict laws. We hope so. Otherwise, I enjoyed my train journey, and I urge all of you guys who stay on that road, Mukono, Namave, Boyogere, Chireka, Banda, Nakawa. Nakawa wouldn't do that much, but past Chireka, you guys can use the train. It's really cheap. It's just 1,000 to Boyogere. So from Boyogere, you can as well reach home. Maybe it could take you a walk or just 1,000 on a border to reach your home. And then for those of you going to Mukono, blah blah blah, you can still go up to Namave and then get a border or get a cheaper taxi from there to home. I'm thinking it wouldn't be more than 1,000. So just try as much as possible to save transport. Don't waste money because we're in very difficult times. Otherwise, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.
Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long